Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to discuss about suprasegmental features on page 56. I hope that when you listen to this video, you grab your language file and open page 56 about suprasegmental features. Now, before we discuss about suprasegmental features, first we're going to discuss about segmental features. So, what is segmental features? I have already written the note for you in order to easier and to make the time a little bit more efficient. So segmental features is the characteristic of the segment, consonants, vowel, and diphthong. Pay very attention to the word the characteristic of the segment. Segments means that the things that should be discussed in a certain occasion. Okay, the things that should be discussed is a part of the segment. Now, because on the segmental, our segment is talking about the phone, then the discussion of the segmental, it should be about the phone itself, nothing about that, not above that or even below that. It should be on the characteristic of discussion. Jadi begini, segmental itu artinya adalah sesuatu yang dibahas itu adalah hanya yang berhubungan dengan karakter yang ingin dibahas. Nah, karena kita membahas tentang bunyi, maka pembahasannya itu harus sebatas tentang bunyi. Jadi tidak di atas bunyi ataupun di bawah bunyi, atau dalam arti kata lain yaitu tidak berhubungan dengan yang selain bunyi. Nah, berarti pembahasan itu disebut pembahasan segmental. Nah, pembahasan segmental dalam fonetik atau dalam fonologi adalah hanya yang berhubungan dengan bunyi. Pembahasan seperti apa yang segmental? Pembahasan yang segmental adalah maksudnya dalam fonetik adalah yang membahas tentang bunyi, yaitu tentang consonants, vowels, and diphthong. So what is consonants, kinds of consonants, where the consonants come from, how to produce these consonants or even vowel and even diphthong. Nah, pembahasan itu adalah, fokus pembahasan di situ adalah pembahasan fonetik segmental. And that all the thing we have already discussed on the previous discussion before lockdown. Okay. Now, next, our discussion is suprasegmentals. So, suprasegmentals is going to be beyond the segmentals. So, take a look to my note. Suprasegmentals is beyond the characteristic of the segment. So, if we talk about the suprasegmentals, then we're going to talk about everything's beyond atau di luar pembahasan segmentals. Nah, what are they? What are they? There are so many suprasegmentals, or there are so many kinds of suprasegmentals to be discussed. But we're going to discuss only some of it because of the because of the urgency, not because the urgency of the time, no, but there are some suprasegmentals that should be counted in a certain language, but in another certain language is not. Nah, ada beberapa bagian dari suprasegmental yang dalam bahasa lain itu memang harus didiskusikan because of the urgency. Karena kalau tidak didiskusikan, it going to change the meaning or it cause fatality. Nah, dan ada beberapa bagian yang dari suprasegmental itu tidak menjadi bagian penting dari satu bahasa. Nah, in English, something crucial or the part of the suprasegmentals that is crucial is length, intonation,